By 2050, the world may look completely different from today. Self-driving cars use sensors to navigate roads safely. They detect obstacles and follow traffic rules autonomously. Flying taxis. The future of urban transportation is here, reducing congestion and revolutionizing travel. People just like robots. They seem so human.
I like you too.
See, it's so easy to connect with them. Smart everything. Dim the lights. Perfect. Now play some music. Smart homes make life easier. With a simple voice command, control your lights, security, and more. Advanced healthcare tech is revolutionizing medicine. These innovations enable earlier detection and tailored care for every patient. AI assistants, intelligent tools that simplify and enhance daily tasks. They adapt seamlessly to your needs. Imagine a world where technology is invisible, yet everywhere. It surrounds us, enhancing our lives seamlessly. This is the future of invisible tech. Mind-controlled devices are becoming a reality. I can turn on this lamp with just my mind. Advanced virtual reality, a seamless fusion of digital and physical worlds. This is the next evolution of human-computer.
The future may arrive faster than we expect.